In this task 3, we don't need to do anything with Excel file, but it's just to give us some kind of command, some kind of terminology in Visual Basic. Let's say we have an array, and a lot of times we felt like we need the maximum possible inscribed number for the given array and the smallest numbers for the cells, right? So for coding and for some reason for that, so in that case we use U-bound or L-bound, which means upper bound and lower bound. So for example, let's say this new array is a three-dimensional array, so it has the cell numbers from 1 to 100 for the first place, and the second place is 0 to 3, and third place is -3 to 4. Okay, let's forget how we define that way, but if that's the kind of subscript for each arrays, then upper bound of this array for the first entry will be 100. Sounds good. And upper bound of this array in the second entry is 3, not 4, and even for that it's just a 4, not 7 or 8, whatever. So this upper bound or lower bound is not showing us how many cells are possible in there. It only tells us what is the possible maximum number could it be for that parts, right? So for L bound of this array, in the first place should it be 1, second place should it be 0, and especially the third one should it be -3. So if we need the whole size of the array for each entry, we need to calculate like this: the upper bound of that minus lower bound of the same array plus 1. It will tell us how many entries we could have in there. So this is just general rule, but in these cases it has different entry lines. So for the first part, it's 100 minus 1 plus 1, which is giving us 100. And second one is 3 minus 0 plus 1, so there are 4 possible numbers there. Okay? And the third one is 8 by that.